Hey YouTube, thanks for tuning into the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you haven't liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe down below. But today we have a 2008 Mazda CX-7 that we're going to show you how to remove the front bumper cover. Really easy thing to do, and it's going to be no problem for you. So let's get started. Okay YouTube, I made this video and then I forgot to show you how to remove this corner piece. And I've showed it in other videos before, but before or after you remove all the bolts, you're going to want to, there is a retainer bracket is what they call it, that holds that bumper up against the fender, and basically you just give it a good tug once you have everything loose. And it has these, if you can see them there, it has these little holes here that clip into a bracket on the fender. Okay, so you just, once everything's loose in the rest of the video and you watch how to remove everything, then that just takes a little tug and this bumper will literally fall off on both sides. So there's one of these on both sides. So I just wanted to put that in here, and now I'm going to show you how to remove the rest of the bolts. Okay guys, so what you're going to need for this repair is you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Everybody should have one of those, very easy. You're going to need a 10mm socket, an 8mm socket, and some kind of ratchet, either a 1/4 inch or 3/8 drive ratchet. I have a Milwaukee ratchet here, but just a standard ratchet like this one will do it. So let me show you what we have. I've already loosened this bumper off. I've already taken a lot of the bolts out and it's ready to be removed. So I'm going to show you what we have. Over here there is a bolt, actually a Phillips bolt that goes right here. Okay, easy to remove. We have a plastic Phillips clip. So what you do is you just unscrew that. Sometimes the base of these like to turn, so when it's in here you might have to hold the base while you unscrew it, and then once it gets up you can just pull it out. And then over here is going to be a smaller Phillips clip, same as the other one. And there's one here in the center. There's two here, 1, 2 here, and then there's 3 on this side of the ones I just showed you. So that takes care of the top portion of this, and that should be loose and free to be removed. So on the side, this side is ripped out, so let me go to this side and show you. This had a little accident. We're going to replace this bumper, so I figured it'd be a good opportunity to show you how to remove it. Right here, right there is where this is a 8mm bolt, goes right there into this bracket. I'm sorry, this is pushed, this goes in, and this goes in there into a bracket. Okay, so you remove that. Down on the bottom here, this is tucked inside, so there's nothing else to remove on this side. Okay, now we'll go underneath and I'll show you what's underneath it. Really pretty simple. There is 3 8mm bolts. Okay, I'm going to crawl under here and see if I can show you this. Okay, so we're on the left side here. Right here there is 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, and that's the 8mm bolt right there. It does have a Phillips center. I'm sorry, the light's not very good here, but it does have a Phillips center, so you could use a Phillips screwdriver probably, but they come out real easy. And what that holds is that holds the splash shield in, which is this inner piece, and it's connected to the bottom of this bumper to hold it together. And then if you go farther towards the center, the last 2 bolts are right here. This is part of the lower bumper, and this 10mm, this is where the 10mm comes in. It goes right there into the radiator support of this vehicle. There's one there, and then there's one right there. And that's it. Very easy to do, and you should be able to do it no problem. So that's the Mazda CX-7. Yeah, Mazda 08 Mazda CX-7 front bumper removal. I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.